Alright, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be doing a Brainrot tier list. I know this has been hugely awaited, so without further ado, let's jump right in. This is 2024 Brainrot. Alright, starting off, you've got Meaty Michael, or Charlie the Steak. Some of you know him. This is B class. English or Spanish. It's not as good, just for the fact that it was lasted quite a long time, quite influential. Got to give this B class as well. Right, next up, Omega Nugget. Oh, what a irritating, but at the same time, classic 2024 meme. Got to give this it's clear C class. Right, next up, oi oi oi, Barker. What a absolute banger. This is pretty good. Alright, Aura. Very versatile. Used in the everyday lexicon. Got to give this. It's not at the top, but it's very influential. Right, next up. One of my favourites. That feeling when knee surgery is tomorrow. What a absolute classic. It's new, but at the same time I've got to give this a mythical class. It's amazing. Right, next up, Absolute Cinema. Very versatile, classic, easy to use, user friendly. You've got to give this. This is 4 out of 5. Alright, ain't no party like a Diddy party. We got to give this B. This is C class. It was okay at the beginning, but it died. It died pretty quickly, right? Put the fries in the bag, put the fries in the bag. Absolute classic. This is a banger. Certified hood classic. This is a mythical. It's amazing. Alright, I assume mewing. We would really call that just 2024. But what can I say? Very versatile. But C class. Alright, next up, Thick of It. What a banger of a tune. I'm gonna give this, it's a clear. This is B class. Alright, Yap Dollar. Get this out of here. F class. Sorry.
I am Steve.
I mean, can we really count this as Brainrot? It's E class. Alright. Now we're going back in time. This is early 2024. This gnome. This did maybe make me giggle at the time. This is quite high. Alright. Chill guy. I'm just a chill guy, so I'm getting this mythical. It's very versatile. Next up, Learn 'em Cook. Versatile. I gotta give this D class. Now we're talking. Okay, now we're talking. Infinite backshots. It's amazing. It's a true work of art. This is up at the top. Alright. Amazing, but in this context it's a bit better, but it's a D class. Guys, still water! Yeah. It's not the new one, but very versatile. C class. Alright, next up we've got Two Steps Ahead. It was quite something at the time, but it didn't make me giggle. So for that reason, this is going E tier. Now we're talking Costco, guys. We bring that boom! Amazing. But going B class. Now, last but definitely least, Arctur. And you know what they say. If you don't Arctur, I'm not gonna talk to her. What a classic, but it's gotta go mythical tier. No, this is going F tier. Get out! Alright. So, thank you for watching. See you in the next video. Good night.
Imagine if Ninja got a low table fade.